The Viewer section allows you to explore the EFSA data model and the relationships among its components. In the Activities section, you can search for a specific activity from the drop-down menu and visualize it on the screen. Using the plus sign, the system shows the sublevels of the data model and its structure. For each data model, if the mapping has been made, you can visualize your custom data structure resulting from the mapping. The system allows you to visualize your custom structure in XML and XLS format. Download the list and description of all the attributes related to the activity of interest. Visualize your mapping in table form. In the Catalog section, you can search for a specific catalog from the drop-down menu or by start writing the specific name. Once the catalog is selected, the system shows you the list of all the included catalog values and associated information. You can also download the selected catalog in Excel format.